Have you ever found yourself staring at a Numpy array, wondering if it contains an item within a specific range? It can be a bit tricky, right? Well, today we're going to simplify that process for you. I totally get it. Checking if an item exists within a range in a Numpy array can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to write efficient code. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to check if their Numpy array named A contains any items between two values, 33 and 66. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the best way to tackle this? The user's current method involves creating a new array to check for items within the range. But there's a more efficient and Pythonic way to do this. Let's break it down. And stick around. I'll share a super efficient method at the end that will make your code cleaner and faster. To check if a Numpy array contains an item within a specified range, the user can use a more efficient approach with Boolean indexing. First, we will create a Boolean mask that identifies the elements within the range. Next, the user can directly check if any elements in the array meet the condition using the numpy function any. This simplifies the process significantly. This method is not only more concise, but also leverages NumPy's optimized performance for array operations. The user can now easily determine if there are any items in the specified range. In summary, the user can efficiently check for items within a range in a NumPy array by using Boolean indexing and the any function. This is a more Pythonic way to achieve the desired result. Fun fact, NumPy is so powerful that it can handle large datasets with ease, making it a favorite among data scientists. So if you're not using it yet, you might want to jump on the bandwagon. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using the itertools library. They recommend using itertools.efilter to efficiently check if any item in the array falls within the specified range. For smaller arrays, the user also mentions that a simple filter function can be effective. This method checks if any item meets the range criteria. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always look for ways to simplify your code. Not only does it make your code cleaner, but it also improves performance. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And there you have it. You now have a more efficient way to check if your NumPy array contains items within a specified range. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.